Hello everybody, this is Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? I'm pre-recording this on Thursday, and I will be uploading this on Friday. And since I'm uploading this on Friday, you will probably know what it is. This is going to be another world news video, because I still want to do the world news videos at Fridays and Mondays. And the first thing that I do want to talk about is Turkey. Turkey is building a wall towards Iran just to at least stop the influx of refugees coming from Afghanistan. So Turkey is building a wall towards Iran, and Greece is building a wall towards Turkey. So it's going to be interesting what's going on with that. And speaking of Turkey, a woman who traveled to join ISIS got arrested back in 2019. She was arrested in Turkey, and then she's got sentenced for 5 years in prison. She was originally from Denmark. Then she traveled to ISIS, joined them, and then got arrested and sentenced. So it might be a good thing to at least arrest and sentence people who are traveling willingly to join ISIS. So what do you guys think about that? Comment below. The second thing that I want to talk about is there has been a poison attack at a uni in Germany. Apparently someone smuggled in a lot of milk that has been tampered with. The milk was very old, and I think at least 7 people got affected by it. And my thought would be, can't they really smell that something's going on with the milk, if it's bad or anything, and they still just drank it? And as far as I know, German police are looking into it to see what's going on. So yeah, the third thing that I want to talk about, Sweden is gearing up, at least in Gotland. Russia has been in that area, so Sweden is like, okay, and then adds more military to the Gotland island. And as far as I know as well, Russia is planning a huge exercise as well, so we will see what happens with that. The fourth thing that I want to talk about is a regular segment at this point, Afghanistan. There has been some threats about terrorist activities at the Kabul airport when everyone is just clearing out of the country. So there's a huge risk with that. So we will see what's going on with that as well. The fifth thing that I want to talk about is the drummer of Rolling Stones, Charlie Watts, has passed away, sadly. Apparently he has been struggling with lung cancer for quite a while now, and then just now passed away. As far as I know, he's the first member of the band that has passed away. And as far as that I know as well, the Rolling Stones has planned to still tour. They haven't said anything else, as far as I know. And hopefully they will still continue to tour. And I'm guessing the band is going to be on its last leg. Since most of the band members are getting close to 80 now anyway, so yeah. The next thing I want to talk about is the website OnlyFans. It has been going back and forth with that site. They first announced that they are removing all of the explicit content on their site, just to please their banks and stuff. But then they removed that they went back on that statement and just stated that, well, they are going to continue to have that explicit content. I'm not a big fan of that site. I haven't used it, but I don't see the point of using it either. So yeah. The next thing that I want to talk about is there has been it's going to be some human trials of an HIV vaccine starting quite soon, which is going to be very interesting, since as far as I know, it's the company Moderna, which is one of the COVID-19 vaccine creators as well, has started to create like an HIV vaccine as well. And it's going to be interesting to see how that will play out. Yeah. The last thing that I want to talk about is something that I just saw on Thursday, today, when I'm recording this. That Nirvana, the band Nirvana, is being sued by the person who's known for being on the cover of the Nevermind album, the Baby. He's suing Nirvana just for his experience of that it has been traumatizing in a way, but at the same time, it has been brought up that he has recreated that picture like a lot of times before. So is it really traumatizing then? I don't know for sure. So yeah, that's the video. Comment below what you think. You can like and subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch app down below. Otherwise, peace.